Hi there, welcome to Deel. We're very happy to have you on board. We know that you may have many questions as you onboard with us in Peru, so we'll be going through some country-specific information, such as the fifth category income and what to do if you do not have a fifth category income certificate. For the first part, in the compliance documents section, you will see that we ask for a fifth category income certificate. This is a mandatory document needed so we can calculate any retention that needs to be applied by our payroll team. This document is generally given by your previous employer and must be scanned or a PDF copy. You will need to upload this document if you had any other employer during the year, if you earn more than 32,000 soles, or currently have more than one employer. In the instance you do not have a fifth category income certificate because you do not meet the requirements mentioned before, we will need you to provide a sworn statement where it states that you do not have this certificate and that you are aware that Deel has informed you of the need for this certificate. You will find the sworn statement directly on our platform where you can fill it out and sign directly without having to print out the documentation. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about Deel. We hope this information was very helpful to you on your onboarding journey.